Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're about to link Google Authenticator to a laptop-managed account. First, make sure you signed into the account on your laptop and opened its security or two-step verification settings. Once there, choose the option to add an Authenticator app. That begins a QR or secret key setup. Make sure your phone has the Google Authenticator app installed and unlocked. If prompted, select the option for manual setup or QR code scanning. This is the step that creates the shared secret between devices. Once the QR code or secret key appears on your laptop, act quickly. Open Google Authenticator on your phone and tap Add Account, then scan a QR code or enter a setup key for manual entry. If scanning fails, copy the secret key exactly and paste or type it into the phone, selecting the account name and time-based code, TOTP, option. Make sure both devices have accurate time settings. Authenticator uses time-based tokens, so a clock skew can prevent valid codes. To finish, type the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the laptop's verification box and submit. That verifies the shared secret and activates two-step verification. Once confirmed, download or store backup codes and add a secondary recovery method so you're not locked out. If the code is rejected, don't panic. Confirm both device clocks are set to automatic time, try rescanning the QR, or redo the manual entry using the secret key. Make sure to test, sign in to validate the setup is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.